if you're going to edit something in Blender or any other video editing software, okay, if you're going to edit a video encoded file on your computer, something you downloaded, something you burned off a disk, I recommend strongly that you first render it out as a series of JPEGs. You can do that using Blender. You just import the video and then you save it out, you export it rather, as a series of JPEG images. And the reason you want to do that is because you want to treat the film as a series of frames and not some encoded series of like keyframes with intermittent frames. You want something clean that you can cut up that is a series of frames just like you would on a piece of celluloid, right, on a strip of film. And so you get a much cleaner playback here, even in the video editor. It was all buggy a moment ago until I remembered that I had to export the video as a series of images, and then I really got to work on it this way, nice and clean. Alright, so I'm letting you know in case you run into this problem yourself where you just cannot get the playback to work right, and that's because it's following like its own already established set of keyframes in the original video that you're cutting up. So just render it out, export it as a series of JPEGs in like an extra folder, and then re-import that by going here to add in the menu, image sequence, and then you select all of your JPEGs and it imports it as a little clip here, okay? I've done the same thing with the entire film, and so I have a lot more control this way. Alright, so that's what I have to tell you.